Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today, another fusion recipe. I'm going to show you how I make my beef Massaman Rendang curry. It's not rendang, it's not Massaman, it's somewhere in between. I tell you what, it works out great. A little bit of oil into a pan, using a bit of peanut oil there. That goes in just like that. Give that a bit of a stir through. I'm going to use one large brown onion, which I finally sliced. It's just a little quarter cut style, just like that. Get that cooking off. Leave that for around about 60 seconds or so. And I'm going to start adding in around about 500 grams worth of diced beef. I've just bought that from the local supermarket because it was on special. The price was too good. Put that straight in, just like that. And all we're going to do is get a nice little bit of a sear on all of that. Right, so just keep stir frying that through, just like I'm doing right there. Really nice and easy. Now, I'm going to start adding in some dry ingredients. And my first lot of dry ingredients is 5 cardamom pods, around about a quarter teaspoon's worth of dry ground cloves, 2 star anise, and about a tablespoon's worth of palm sugar. If you don't have that, use brown sugar. Okay, now, I'm going to add in some more dry ingredients. About a teaspoon's worth of coriander, 2 teaspoons worth of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons worth of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon's worth of ground cardamom, and half a teaspoon's worth of ground cloves. Again, we want to get some really incredible flavors. And those ground cloves, they remind me of a cigarette I used to smoke as a kid. Anyway, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tamarind puree and 2 tablespoons worth of fish sauce. That goes in, and make sure that you give all of that a good stir, just like that. Really nice and easy to do. Now don't worry, all we want to do is get a little bit of brownish happening on all that meat, because we're going to cook this off for a little bit of time. Here I've got 1.5 cups worth of beef stock. I'm going to add in a little bit just like that. Okay, deglaze your pan as you go and get rid of all that schmutz on the bottom of the wok. Really nice and easy to do. Now we're going to do all this real quickly, but we'll slow it down. Now I've added about a teaspoon's worth of sambal oleg, 5 cloves of garlic, equivalent of 2 sticks of lemongrass. I'm using a paste, 20 grams worth of crushed ginger, and 2 teaspoons worth of shrimp paste. Alright, all of that goes in, and I've also added in around about the equivalent of 3 leaves of kaffir lime. Right, that all goes in. Just mix all of that through. So as it starts to dry off, add a little bit more of your beef stock straight in, just like that. Really nice and simple. Give all of that a good stir through. Now, it's time now. We're going to start turning this down a little bit. Here I've got 500 grams worth of little cubes of kumara or sweet potato. That goes in just like that. Right, really nice and easy. I'm going to add in about half a can's worth of coconut milk, which is about 400 gram can, so about 200 milliliters ish of coconut milk. That goes in. Give all of that a bit of a stir. Get all those ingredients getting to know each other really well. Right, fast forward a little bit. We've got a nice little bit of steamage happening. We've got a nice bit of heat happening there, and I'm going to put the lid on for around about 20 minutes or so, just to make sure we get a nice bit of a simmer happening to our beautiful curry. As you can see, we've got a nice little simmer happening right there. Really nice and easy. And I'm going to add in about half a cup's worth of Greek style yogurt. Yes, it's going to add the real nice acidity to this particular dish, and the yogurt is more of the rendang sort of style of the dish, but we're going to keep mixing this curry up. Add in the rest of your coconut milk, just like that. Keep stirring that through, and I'm just going to let that sit, simmer, and reduce down until it starts to thicken up a little bit, until the beef goes nice and tender, and the little bits of sweet potato or kumara end up being nice and tender as well. And all we have to do now is make sure we got some rice happening, which Mrs. KP has thankfully done. I'm going to serve that up in a bowl with a little bit of rice on the side, just like that. Obviously, try and make this one at home. It's not that hard to do. It does take a while. Yes, I did cook that beef off for about 2 hours to make sure it was really nice and tender. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to take a couple of really nice Malaysian dishes just like this and put them together, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After I eat my beef Massaman Rendang curry, and I will catch you next time. Bye.